जहाँ तक पाकिस्तान की बात है तो मुझे तो पहले से लगा था कि ये फिल्म पाकिस्तान में बैन होगी, क्योंकि ऐसे कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जो बिना फिल्म देखे या बिना रिव्यू के पाकिस्तान सीधी तरह से बैन कर देती है। हमने भी कुछ फिल्में बनाई हैं पास में जो पास हुई हैं पाकिस्तान में, लेकिन वो टाइप की फिल्म होती हैं। अगर एक रियलिस्टिक, जैसे ये फिल्म है जिसका बेस थोड़ा रियलिस्टिक हो, तो इट्स नो सरप्राइज फॉर मी दैट दिस फिल्म इज बैंड इन पाकिस्तान एक्चुअली। ये तो आई थिंक होना ही था। One important fact is that all the people involved in the making of this film are Indian Muslims. I think we have a point of view. This is a very patriotic film. I was very excited and happy to get this role because it's one of the most heroic parts that I've ever been offered. The film being banned in Pakistan is something that is expected because the film has got a real base. 26/11 happened. I think everybody knows what the facts are. Everybody knows who's responsible. And why should we always make films on foreign subjects or action films inspired by events happening somewhere else or fictitious events when we have something that's happened like this in our own country, which we would like to see a stronger response to in the future. So the film is half fiction and half fact. And you know, I'm very proud of the movie. And I'm very much looking forward to the release. Sorry, I was also, what I was trying to say earlier also was, whenever we've made films on these subjects, I think all of us like to have a, sorry? No, I'm saying that when we make films on this subject, we like to have a balanced point of view. Nobody is against a particular religion. Nobody is against Pakistan as a country. It is a complex relationship. We know that. We play sports together. We're culturally involved. But on certain levels, we've also spilled blood against each other. So, depending on the issue, there are different approaches. It's an honest film. I think one of the reasons I've enjoyed working with Kabir is there is integrity. He understands the subject well. So, whether it's in the past Sri Ram Raghavan, who's also an intelligent man, or Kabir now, I don't think we would ever treat the subject in a jingoistic or sensational way. I'm very proud of the way they've handled it. And I think before passing judgment, everyone should see the film, who have families that date back to pre-independence and pre-partition, would have family in Pakistan, especially Muslim people living in India. So my family, like the Indian side of my family also, would not like to do any film that bashes a community. Nobody's interested in bashing Pakistan. And neither would any of us want to be in a film like that. When it comes to being banned, though, I remember we've worked on these subjects before. You try and give a realistic point of view. Look, internationally, whether it's a TV show, an American TV show, British TV show, you know, for it to be exciting today, it's got to have some grounding in fact. You can't have these old stories like, you know, James Bond films where it's some crazy organization is the villain. Sometimes people want a little geopolitical fact in their stories, you know. And a kind of semi-educational kind of background where watching the film you say, oh God, is this actually what it is, what it could be? It's more exciting in a way. So we're also film people. We want to present a rugged, good-looking movie that's an action adventure, but at the same time with a grounding in fact. But the point is, even if you try and portray with an open mind what Pakistan is, they will ban it. They're not even going to look at it if you say, listen, there's some good guys, there's some bad guys, there's some terrorist organization, and you know, there's this a prime minister who wants peace, let's say. You won't be allowed to. They're not interested. I mean, this is my experience. But this is, you know, it's not a documentary. It's a it's ये एक documentary film नहीं है. एक fantasy, exciting action adventure है, जो एक fact पे based है, लेकिन उसका response जो है, एक theatrical, एक cinematic response है, जो like tagline है picture का story you wish was true. ये पहली बार नहीं होगा. I'm sure. I mean, RAW is a very deadly organization also. I mean, if somebody wants to, if governments, ये पहली बार नहीं होगा. I mean, all governments are capable of assassination. I'm saying anybody should be allowed to file anything that they want. That's fine. I mean, in our country, I think there's a certain amount of freedom and democracy. Let's see. sometimes the climate, I mean, we are also banning things, you know. Um, yeah. No, so I am, at the same time, you know, we all know what the reality is. I think there are some people who are enemies of our state who are residing in Pakistan. Is this a secret? Is this something that we can never say? Aren't there people in the underworld, aren't there people politically who are dead against India, who are enemies of our country, residing in Pakistan or not? Am I the only person who knows that? Sorry, please answer me. Right or no? No, no, don't stand up. I'm saying you know that, right? That these people are. What? I think, I mean, any country that, you know, a wanted terrorist like that can go to a court of law is ridiculous, I think, no? नहीं नहीं एब्सोल्युटली नहीं मुझे मुझे ये बात काफ़ी फ़नी लगती है एक्चुअली आई थिंक बहुत बहुत ये बहुत सीरियस बात है कि अगर एक नेशन में एक वांटेड टेररिस्ट पब्लिकली कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ में किसी भी चीज़ के खिलाफ अपील कर सके दैट्स द साइन एक्चुअली ऑफ अ रियली ग्रेट नेशन मैं हमेशा इस टाइप के सब्जेक्ट से अट्रैक्ट रहा हूँ लेकिन मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई जब साजिद भाई ने ये फिल्म ऑफर की बिकॉज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ गुड प्रोड्यूसर हु विल यू नो माउंट द फिल्म इन एन अमेजिंग वे अगर आप देखें इस पिक्चर को इट्स अ रियली बिग फिल्म with some amazing action sequences. Abhi baat itni serious ho rahi hai, we're talking about politics and you know all these things, but please don't forget it's an exciting movie. This is like it's a commercial thriller. I mean, America ने बहुत सी फिल्में ऐसी इस genre में बनाई होंगी, like a fantasy kind of adventure. And with a director like Kabir, I think my journey is kind of complete in a way of this kind of genre because he handles the subject so well. So yes, it's something I've been attracted to, and I'm happy I'm doing it.
So when we were growing up, I remember we went to see the premiere of Sholay. Arbaz and me both went Scindia school. तो Scindia school के blazer वेजर पहन के हम लोग गए थे. I think it was Minerva yeah. So we went there. Huh? Yeah. So the premiere was there. So my father took us there. The first time that we ever saw a premiere of a movie.